फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि मैंने अपने चैनल पर चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट एंड पेडागोजी के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस की सीरीज़ स्टार्ट कर रखी है एंड ये उसी सीरीज़ का पार्ट 12 है। तो जिन्होंने भी रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स नहीं देखे हैं वो चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट पर जाकर चेक कर सकते हैं। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं हम अपने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के साथ। एंड वीडियो अगर पसंद आती है तो इसे लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, लर्निंग इज एन एक्टिव प्रोसेस बिकॉज फर्स्ट लर्निंग टेक्स प्लेस व्हेन देयर इज सम इंफॉर्मेशन given to the learner. Learning refers to memorization and an active change in one's behavior. Knowledge is constructed by the learner by acting upon it. A learning is governed primarily by biological factors. So correct answer is option number 3. Next, in the context of students' readiness to learn, it is important for the teacher to gauge the motivation of students to learn, apply law of readiness to the students, assess the general knowledge of students, yet disregard students' previous learnings. So, correct answer is option number 1. Next is, in an effective classroom, the students are in competition with one another to score more marks. The teacher prepares a lesson, presents it as a lecture, and discourages discussion. The teacher encourages discussion and makes connection with the students' previous knowledge and background. The students passively follow the directions of the teacher. So, correct answer is option number 3. Next is, children develop interest in the classroom when the teacher favors only good students, the teacher encourages and appreciates each student to participate, they sit in the big classrooms with their friends, they do not get homework. So correct answer is option number 2. Next, as children enter the school, they should be told that the school has a different language and they should not speak in their mother tongue at all. Their parents should be told to use only the language of the school at home. They should be allowed to speak in their mother tongue because expression is important. They should be fined for not speaking in the language of the school. So correct answer is option 3. Next, which of the following best describes a teacher's role? The teacher should focus primarily on the knowledge given in the textbook. The teacher should maintain her records diligently. Third, the general attitude of the teacher should be to promote a feeling of security among the children. The teacher should encourage competition among children to prepare them for social world. So, its correct answer is option number 3. Next, how can the teacher promote problem solving skills in the students? By making use of chalk and board method in her teaching, by providing students with diverse materials and encouraging them to explore their materials, by giving them continuous practice questions, by laying stress on drill only, yeah, by providing discipline, promoting discipline among her students. So correct answer is option number 2. Next, children formulate their own strategies for learning. In this context, a teacher needs to discard children's strategies and transact the lesson she has planned. Second, needs to understand the children's strategies and discuss and have a dialogue with children. Third, should give the children a long lecture asking them not to do so. Yeah, fourth, should motivate the children to strictly follow the procedures listed in the textbook. So, correct answer is option 2. Next, which one of these factors play a very important role in learning? Genetic makeup alone, physical infrastructure, social context and emotions, maturation and physical experience. So, correct answer is option number 3. Next, early childhood refers to the period from 2 to 8 years, 6 to 12 years, birth to 5 years, yeah, birth to 8 years. So, correct answer is option 1. Knowing about principles of growth and development, it is important for a teacher because this knowledge would help the teacher to segregate the children. The teacher would be able to create a good impression. This knowledge would help the teacher to provide the children with appropriate learning opportunities. Yet this would make child development a popular course. So its correct answer is option 3. A child's development is the result of first upbringing, a combination of heredity and environment, third heredity, a fourth environment. Correct answer is option 2. Children first are born unruly and need to be civilized by the society, are a gift of God meant to be worshipped, are influenced by the social and cultural context they grow up in, you come into this world with a blank slate. Correct answer is option number 3. A 5-year-old child fails to reason that when water is transferred from a tall and narrow glass to a wide container, the quantity of water remains the same. This is because she cannot symbolize, she cannot imitate, she cannot reverse her thinking, her behavior is not goal directed. So, correct answer is option 3. While riding a bicycle, a boy prompts his sister, "Drive fast, we will reach there earlier." He is showing an understanding of symbolic thought, egocentric thinking, cause and effect, irreversible thinking. Answer is option number 3. Next, the process of adjusting, deleting schemas and forming new schemes to maintain equilibrium is called zone of proximal development, scaffolding, adaptation, or schema formation. So, correct answer is option 3. Next, the term private speech was first used by first Kohlberg, Vygotsky, Erikson, or Piaget. So, correct answer is option 2. Next, according to Vygotsky, children learn a lot through dash their peers, physical fighting with, imitation of, interaction with, or competition with. Correct answer is option 2. Sorry, option number 3, interaction with their peers. Next, Kohlberg's idea of moral development has dash levels. moral डेवलपमेंट में टोटल 3 लेवल्स हैं, 6 स्टेजेस हैं और 3 लेवल्स हैं, हर एक लेवल के 2 स्टेजेस हैं. लर्नर सेंटर्ड अप्रोच इज वन इन विच लर्नर्स आर रिवॉर्डेड एंड पनिश्ड फॉर देयर रिस्पॉन्सेज. फोकस इज ऑन memorizing of facts. Learners with teachers' guidance are made responsible for constructing their own understanding. Your learners are left free to learn on their own. Correct answer is option number 3. Intelligence includes the capacity of an individual to produce novel or original answers to problems, the ability to produce a single response to a specific question, a set of capabilities that allows an individual to learn, a permanent change in behavior as a result of experience. So, correct answer is option 3. The importance of communication with others as a major factor in the development of a child's language is expressed by first Bandura, second Vygotsky, third Kohlberg, या fourth Freud. So, correct answer is option number 2, Vygotsky. If a teacher thinks that girls need to be given a different type of education which would help them become good wives and mothers, this type of thinking challenges the social attitude towards girls, shows that teachers cannot and should not try to change the social perception, is beneficial to the girls and would help them to perform their roles assigned by the society in a better way. Yeah, fourth, promotes gender bias and restricts the potential of the girls. So, correct answer is option number 4. Next, assessment should focus on increasing competition among children, reducing the teacher's work, furthering learning, or labeling children. So, correct answer is option number 3. Children with special needs should be given no education at all, given only vocational training, segregated and put in separate institutions, included in regular setups with special provisions. Answer is 4. To deal with diversity in her classroom, a teacher needs to disregard the social context of the students, judge the students on the basis of their physical experience, be sensitive to the social and cultural context of the students, give uniform instructions and disregard individual differences. Correct answer is option 3. How would you identify a child with learning disability? By administering intelligence tests, by seeing their physical appearance, by looking at their notebooks for writing, by observing how much they fight with other children. So, correct answer is option number 3. A creative child has the following characteristics: rigid in approach to problem solving, ability to rote memorize, conformity to the given rules and norms, original thought and expression. Correct answer is option 4. Creativity includes the ability to copy and imitate others, do divergent thinking, rote memorize long passages and sequences of numbers. Yeah, fourth, do convergent thinking. Answer is option 2. When a child's capability in any particular area of development is low, it doesn't influence her overall development, does not mean delay in any area of development, has an impact on all areas of development, has no effect on the child. So doesn't mean does not influence her overall डेवलपमेंट. आंसर इज ऑप्शन 1. सो गाइज ये थे आज के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस. आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि आगे आने वाली वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको टाइमली मिल सके. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.